Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we'll guide you through configuring the binary condition in Dalfin's workflow. To begin, drag a UI trigger into the workflow and provide a meaningful title and description. Then, select the required method, menu, and window. Now, choose the location where the trigger should be placed. Here, we are selecting Kebab and then save the trigger. We are using the binary condition to send a notification if the final amount exceeds 10,000. Start by dragging the binary condition from the binary condition events, providing a suitable title and description, and naming the logic and else block. Next, configure the if block by setting a condition to check whether the final amount is greater than 10,000. You can perform this calculation using either form-based data selection or data carry. Here, we are using the form method. Select the system, menu, window, field, and relation, then choose the value type. The available value types are static and data carry. Since we are using a static value, we select static, input 10,000, and save the condition. Now, pull in a system notification event, provide a title and description, select the receivers, and add the subject and content for the notification. Once done, save the event. Next, connect all workflow components and publish the workflow. Finally, navigate to the window where the trigger is placed and execute it. If the final amount is greater than 10,000, the notification will be triggered. To test further, try with a final amount less than 10,000, you will notice that no notification is triggered. This demonstrates how to effectively use the binary condition in Dalfin's workflow. Thank you for choosing Dalfin.